Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. We are from University Malaysia Sabah student that are taking BT22103. This is our dual assignment. There are four main points here. I will be taking first and the second. My name is Muhammad Faisal bin Zaidi. My matric number is BB18161094. Okay. A website is a collection of publicly accessible interlinked web page that share a single domain name. Website can be created and maintained by an individual, group, business, or organization to serve a variety of purposes. Together, all publicly accessible websites constitute the World Wide Web. A website is also known as a web presence. World Wide Web. World Wide Web was created in 1990 by the British CERN physicist Tim Berners-Lee. On 30 April 1993, CERN announced that the World Wide Web (WWW) would be free to use for anyone. There are two types of website. First is static website. Second one is dynamic website. Static website is a web page with fixed content. It is coded in HTML and display the same information to every visitor. Must be manually opened, edited and published whenever a change is made. It can update several pages at once. For the second one is dynamic website. Dynamic website contain web pages that are generated in real time. These pages include web scripting code such as PHP or ASP. When a dynamic page is accessed, the code within the page is parsed and the web server and the resulting HTML is sent to the client web browser. The webmaster may access information from a database. Therefore, to alter the content of a dynamic page, the webmaster may only need to update a database record. He or she can update hundreds or thousands pages in a large site. Okay, that's for the first point. The second point is advantage and disadvantage of website for businesses. First one is reaching a wider audience. This is maybe the most obvious advantage because many people are using internet and some of them might be looking for the business. Next is easy access to business information. A customer can easily access information about your business. That is keeping it fresh. Once a website is designed, you can keep it up to update to be relevant to your business and encourage more visitors. The fourth one is publicity and advertising. The cost of having a business website are actually quite low. You need a suitable domain name, a good quality web hosting, and you are ready to go. Link from other and viral marketing. With a website and the current use of social media marketing, it is quite possible for a good idea, clever product or business service to go viral. Securing your brand online. Having a website for your business is not just an advantage, it is an essential way to protect your business brand online. Stake your business claim on the internet or somewhere else will. Next, disadvantage. First is reliability. The information on your website may be unreliable if not updated on a regular basis. You need to ensure that changes are made when necessary and have a disclaimer with regard to the reliability of the information contained within. Next is crashes and uptime. A website that crashes is no good to anyone. This is a serious disadvantage for a business. If your website is constantly crashing or unavailable, then people will not able to find information about your business. Next is difficulty reaching the right people. Because of the nature of the internet and the sheer number of businesses already on the WWW, that is World Wide Web, you might find it difficult to reach the right target audience with your website. The competition within your market may be strong, and the battle for the elusive number one spot on Google may be a difficult one against a wealth of other businesses in your sector. The final one is spam. We all hate spam, the internet equivalent of junk mail. This is one of the disadvantages of a website which can cause you some grief with a contact form or your email addresses published on your website. You will soon find your inbox filled with spam emails unless you use FormGuard or Capture tool. Okay, that's all from me.
My name is Jefferson Nguyen from one of the students of international business, and I will be taking over the second part where I will explain on what are the options available to build a website and how we can use it. Okay, what are the options available to build a website? The options available to build a website, there is 4, which is using a do-it-yourself website builder, using a pre-made theme or template for an open source content management system, hiring a web design and development company to build a custom website on an open source CMS, or hiring a web design and development company to build a custom website with a framework. The first option is very friendly for students because it is very low cost and sometimes free. Examples of DIY web builder is a Squarespace, Wix, and Weebly. The benefits of it is a beautifully designed templates and all the function plus integration are included in the platform. However, there are limits to this because it is very cheap or free and you will have limited customization and limited scalability. And the downside of this is the website will only exist as long as the monthly fee is paid, if it is available, or if the platform still exists. The second option is template theme for open source CMS. The example of this is WordPress or Drupal. It provides a foundation for a website on a powerful content management system. This is also low cost, but it is very unsafely to use because the security of the theme depends on the update and maintenance, and the themes are not unique to one website. Because it is open source, your website will be very not unique. The third option for available to using website is a custom website on an open source CMS. The example of this is hiring a web design or developer company to build a custom website for your website, WordPress or Drupal. This is the same as the second option, but in this option we hire a web design to help us do this website. There are limits to this because it is very costly and security problems will arise if it is not maintained. The fourth option of building a website is a custom website built with a framework. Example of this is hiring a website design or developer company to build a custom website using Ruby on Rails or PHP. This is very good because it has a high amount of flexibility and you will be guided throughout the process of building the unique website. But it is very limited because first, it is very expensive and costly for students to use. And if you do not maintain the payment, you can get locked into a specific vendor, especially if it's a highly customized build. Okay, now I will guide you on how to make a website using the first option, the DIY web builder, which is weebly.com. Firstly, you just go to Google or any search engine and search weebly.com, and you will be guided to this website. And after getting to this website, just go to get started. And after that, you will be redirected to the sign up page. So here you can enter your full name, your email that you are going to use to be associated to the website, and your password. Here you can choose your country, which is Malaysia, your password, and you can just easily like that, easy like 1 2 3, and you will be this is compulsory for avoiding bots. After doing that, you will be redirected to a website which is similar something. You will be redirected to the, before you can publish your website, you will be redirected to the editor page where you can customize your page for free. And I already make mine, so we can skip this and go to here. After you have done the registration, you will go to here where you have finished setting your website and all of this. You can customize your website from here, or you can also upgrade your website from here. And lastly, after doing all of this editing, you can go to your website, which is this. This is my website, and the domain you will get Weebly on the back because it is a free domain. But if you want to pay, you will get a custom domain that doesn't have the weebly.com on the back of it. So here you can edit all of it using this. Alright, thank you, sir. This is how you want to make a blog or website using Weebly, which is a free DIY website builder. Thank you.